When I uploaded my first video about leaving my corporate job, I never expected so many people to relate to my story. One question kept appearing in the comments: what happened after you left? So today I want to share the next chapter, not because I have everything figured out, but because maybe my journey can help someone who's also trying to find theirs. Growing up, my dream was simple. I wanted to work in an office, to wear an ID around my neck, to sit behind a desk, to have paperwork waiting for me every morning. Back then, that was my definition of success. So when I finally achieved that dream, I thought I made it.
Morning, Tom. Tom.
But life has a funny way of changing us. Little by little, something inside me changed. I wasn't happy anymore. Not because the people were bad, not because the company was bad. I just felt like something was missing. Every morning, I woke up, prepared for work, commute, work, went home, then repeated everything again the next day. Eventually, I received a salary increase, but along with that came even more responsibilities. The minimum wage where I live was only around 400 pesos plus a day, and one day I asked myself again, is this really the life I want? While I was still working in corporate, I quietly started searching for another path almost every day. I searched for virtual assistant jobs, freelance jobs, remote opportunities, anything that could use the skills I already had. I sent applications. Some never replied, some weren't the right fit, but I kept going because deep inside, I knew I wanted to try something different. Around that time, I was also doing affiliate marketing as a small side hustle. It wasn't making me rich. Honestly, it only helped me pay some of my bills. But something else happened. I discovered how much I love creating content. I love editing. I love making videos. I love sharing little moments of life. The funny thing is, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how YouTube worked. I didn't know if anyone would ever watch my videos, and becoming famous was never my goal. I simply love creating. Maybe I wasn't chasing another job. Maybe I was chasing another life. Eventually, I made one of the biggest decisions of my life. I resigned from my corporate job not because I had everything figured out, but because I believed there was something more waiting for me. Soon after, God answered one of my prayers. I was hired as a video editor. It wasn't the virtual assistant job I had imagined at first, But looking back now, I believe it was exactly where God wanted me to begin. It was still a 9 to 5 job. It was still on site, but it felt different. For the first time in a long time, I felt excited to learn again. One thing that gave me hope was knowing there was a possibility of working from home if you stay dedicated to your work. Maybe they would consider it. So I worked hard, I stayed consistent, I did my best every single day, and then I finally submitted my proposal. And at the time, my biggest challenge was the commute again. The office was so far from where I was staying, but I want to be honest, I wasn't asking to work from home because I wanted to resign. I actually told them that I wanted to stay and I simply needed to work from home because I wanted to focus on something very important while continuing to give my best at work. And thankfully, they trusted me. My proposal was approved, and that one decision completely changed my life. Today, I get to work from home. I want to share my stories and inspire you guys that nothing is impossible in this world. So every morning, I'm reminded of how faithful God has been in my journey. If you had asked the younger version of me what success looked like, I would have said working in an office. But if you ask me today, my answer is different. My dream isn't a place anymore. It's a life filled with peace, purpose, the freedom to keep growing, and the chance to spend more time doing what I truly love. Do I know exactly what my future looks like? No. Life is unpredictable. But for the first time, I feel like I'm walking in the right direction. I also want to thank every single one of you who watched my first video. Thank you for your kind words and thank you for encouraging me to continue sharing my real life journey. Some of you told me that my story inspired you, but the truth is, your comments encouraged me too. They reminded me that maybe sharing our ordinary lives can help someone feel less alone. So, this channel isn't only about working from home, it's about building a life that brings peace. So, in the next episode, I'll be sharing with you my real life working from home, my side hustles, my daily struggles working from home, how I started making content and simple life here in the Philippines, and hopefully one day traveling and exploring the world together, as I want to share also what my province looks like. And I know a lot of you have many questions after my first video. So don't worry, I'll do a Q&A very soon to answer all of your questions, as many as I can because of your support. And finally, I am pursuing one of my biggest dreams, starting this YouTube journey. And thank you for believing my story. If you're also chasing a different life, I hope this reminds you that it's never too late to begin. And I hope to see you on the next episode.